You understand? As if he's better than me. Oh my gosh. They're like, what are you doing with her? You understand? And I remember there are certain people that I will not forgive on my way to the top. Top. The people I will not forgive is Dr. Love, who did a lot of wrongs to me and my children. Every day, every night, I pray to God to deal with it. Yeah. And the next person I'll never forgive is Fretdem for what she did to me and my kids. Every day and night, I pray that God will answer my prayer. And don't tell me to forget.
Okay, Miss Sancha, he is not ready for you, okay?
Okay.
So you're walking all the way down to the very back.
I can't get up. I'm sorry. I was hurt in an accident. Not car accident. You gotta hold me from the back, son. They fucked me up. Hold on. Oh my God. Thank you. Yeah. And the next person I will not forgive is, what is in Vegas? Yeah. People were talking that he's not. You know what I mean? And I say that he's my man, so why you gonna say that about him? I was just taking up for him. And he said he would never be with a girl like Amari. Yeah. I'll forgive him. But those three people, I'll never forgive. Anyway, I'm here to see my doctor, so talk to you later, guys. My neurologist.